is Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well guys, in today's video I have my Stitch Fix for the month of August, and this is going to be a very fall forward box. I got to pick everything in here and I liked what my stylist did. She gave me some great options this time. She gave me 10 options, and I actually had a hard time picking 5 of the 10 options. I wanted all 10 of them. She did a fantastic job. I asked for no rayon. She sent me no rayon. So I'm excited to go ahead and try everything on. And I like a lot of the colors in here. I feel it's very fall forward. So without further ado, let's go ahead and we are going to start unboxing this. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I hope you had a great week last week. I have been busy as can be with the grandbabies. I've been babysitting, and I haven't been able to watch as many of your videos as I normally can. It was just really a lot going on this week. So I am going to catch up on you guys. Just hang in there for you fellow YouTubers who I always watch. I've been trying to catch a few here and there, but you know, time just, with twin babies, I'm telling you, I remember yesterday, all I wanted was a cup of coffee, okay guys? A cup of coffee. Didn't get the cup of coffee. You can't. It's almost impossible. If you're not dealing with one, you're dealing with the other, and I'm not taking away the joy of it, but I am just letting you guys know, having 2 little babies, as you guys can imagine, is a lot of work. I give bravo to my daughter and my son-in-law who do this on the everyday basis. I just babysit, and I can tell you how much hard work it is. But I'll share some pictures of me and the girls playing this week. We had a lot of fun. But let's go ahead and let's get into this fall box. Let's get back into playing with clothes, shall we? Now here is the inventory sheet. I'm not going to look at that right now, even though I know what everything is on here. And here's what my stylist, her name was Allison. I'm going to definitely request her next week or next box because I really liked her options. Now, I don't know if this stuff's going to end up looking good, but I liked my options. It says, "Hi Sheila, welcome back to another fix. I was so happy to see you enjoyed the variety of pieces shown during the fix preview and that you were able to select all 5 desired pieces that caught your eye. I really think you're going to enjoy the included pieces, as I made sure to not include any items made of rayon." Thank you, Allison. See, some of the stylists, they listen. And will be fabulous for the fall season. The first item you will find is a pale sky top in warm fall hues that will look great paired with denim jeans and sandals while it's still hot outside. The Maggie London 3/4 sleeve dress is the perfect go-to option if you're looking for something comfortable and stylish. And I saw this dress, guys, and wait till you see this. My first thought when I saw this dress was Thanksgiving. Like, this dress just has a super fall vibe, even if it's not for Thanksgiving, but it has a very fall vibe. It says the report footwear wedge is going to be a fabulous staple shoe for all casual and dressy outfits. I look forward to watching this week's fix on your YouTube channel. XO Allison. So Allison, thank you. You really put some great pieces together for me, and I can't wait to try everything on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and talk about the pieces, and on the other side you will see me trying the items on. Okay, so first off, what I'm going to start with is this fabulous fall dress. And I hope it looks as good on as I thought it looked. Let me put the box off to the side right here. Look at this. Does this pattern not scream fall? I mean, come on. This is gorgeous. This is the Maggie London Nicola 3/4 sleeve knit dress in the color burgundy for $78. The price is kind of high, but hey, it would make a great Thanksgiving outfit because this has a lot of stretch behind it. And I just love the pattern. I love it. I think the colors are fabulous. It has like a cinched waist right here in the front, And in the back, it just straight down pattern. Now let me see what this material is. This is 96 or 95% polyester, 5% spandex. Machine wash with similar colors, gentle cycle, very easy to wear, easy to care. A great fall dress. So I really hope it looks as good on as I'm thinking it's going to look. And look at the top right here too. It has like this gathered, because I don't know if it's going to show in the video, but I like this detail right here at the shoulder. It has like a gathered, what is that called? Ruching? Is that ruching? No, I don't think it's ruching. I know there's another word and it's probably going to hit me later, but anyway, I like that detail because it matches the same detail that's right here in the front. And it's only a small strip of this gathering is what I'm going to call it. So I'm very hopeful that that is going to look good. Now, she also sent me a fall cardigan, and I think it's going to look fabulous with that dress. I think the colors match up really good. But let's go ahead and talk about this cardigan. This cardigan is by Pink, and this is the Jamila back detail cardigan in burnt orange for $46. Now, guys, I can just hold this up and I can tell you, I'm pretty much keeping this cardigan. Whether I keep the dress or not, I don't know. That's still a big if. I'm gonna have to try it on and see what I think about it. But this cardigan, I mean, look at the back detail. It goes a little bit longer in the back. It is more like an open weave, which is great in the fall where, you know, you want coverage, but you don't want that heavy winter cardigan. And I just love the back detail. So unless I put this on and something crazy happens, I'm pretty sure I'm keeping this. This is definitely, most likely going to be a winner for me. I know when I hold something up and I'm like, oh yes, that's just adorable. And that's why I was so quick to pick this one. Okay, so now here is the next top out of the box. Hold on. And this is a Daniel Rain top. Yeah, I love my Daniel Rain tops. But on the inventory sheet here, it says Pale Sky. And they're calling it a Bailey tassel detail top in the color navy for $68. Okay, so let's look over the details of this top. First off, I love the blue background. I hope that's picking up. My first thought was it would look really cute with a pair of jeans just because of the navy blue. And I loved the fall. It had a very fall color flower pattern to me. And then also it has another pattern with smaller, I'm going to call them burgundy flowers right here on the arm detail. And then down here on this part, it's more like see-through pleated. So when I put this on, I have a feeling this is going to be an absolute love or an absolute, it's not as good as I thought. Now, it is very see-through, as you can see, but they also included a blue cami that goes with it. So I'm super excited to try the Daniel Rain top on. Okay, and then we have one more top, and then we have a pair of shoes. And this top here is by Fun to Fun. And this is the Kenmore split neck blouse in the color off-white for, oh, woo! Kitties, you leave her alone. Okay, now if you guys have cats, I know you guys just had to hear my two cats fighting. I have one cat that is a little bit of a bully. He is a bully. I love both my cats, don't get me wrong, but they can go at it sometimes. So just ignore my cats. Okay, let's get back to the top here. Okay, this is the Fun to Fun. What did I say this was? $42. Yay, I like the price on this top. And I love the color. Once again, I think this is a very fall themed top. I don't know if it's picking up, but it looks like a olive, it's a greenish tone with some blue in here. and it's like a cream color. And once again, it has that ruching. I gotta learn what that word is. All my shirts have this. And in the back, it has a little bit of a pleating detail. And in the front, it just has a simple V-neck cutout, no tassels. I like. I do like tassels, but sometimes they can get on my nerves. But let's see how this lays. I think this looks really cute. I love the feel of this, and this is not rayon. Let's see what this material is. Polyester, 98% polyester, 2% spandex, and I am not mad. Okay, now we have one more item, and I think these pair of shoes, if I remember from the preview, are gonna go good with that shirt that I just showed you. Yeah, yep, and here they are. And these are little fall booties. And I hope they're picking up. They're very olive green, which, let me hold this up close. That looks like that will go good together to me. I like the colors in it. But let me give you the details about this. Report footwear, and this is called the Goer Cutout Wedge Booty in the color olive, 8.5 for $60. Now on the back, it does have a zipper that you can zip up and down. I love the little ankle cutout right there. I think that's a cute detail. It has a gathered pleating detail here. I'm kind of unsure about that. I have seen this on some boots that I like, and then I've seen it on some boots that kind of give it like I don't know, like maybe like they've been worn a lot, and I don't know if I'm actually gonna like that. So this is going to be, I'm gonna have to put them on and decide, but I'm very happy to receive these and to get the opportunity to try these on, and I think that's gonna like look really good together. Okay guys, so I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so we are ready for the wrap up, and this was a fantastic box. My stylist really gave me some good options, and I have decided that the two items that I am keeping is this cardigan. Yes, I knew I was going to keep this cardigan the second I saw it, and surprisingly, I did not think this was going to be as much of a love as it is, and that was this Fun to Fun shirt. So these are going to be my two keepers out of the box. Now, I was really, if I was a betting person, just looking at the pictures, I thought this dress was going to be my keeper. And I'm not lying. I freaking love this dress, but there is one problem. The pattern, everything, the color, perfection. There's only one problem, and it's a personal problem for me. And it's the way I carry my weight and the way this dress is designed. Right here, it has that ruching right there. And right now I have got a belly. I'm working on it, but I'm not succeeding at this moment. So I have a little belly. And for my body shape, it's more apple-ish right now. So where this is hitting me, it's hitting me right at the top of the apple. And it kind of like, from the side when I turned, it kind of gave me a, like I was pregnant kind of look. And I'm like, dang, oh, okay. And the other one I'm sending back is this Daniel Rain top. I loved it, but $78 worth of love? No, didn't love it that much. I love this shirt more than this one. And the boots, guys, the boots. Oh, unfortunately, that's very sad about these boots because they had a lot of cute details, and I think it went well with the shirt. But I tried to get it in the video footage. My ankles, I have small ankles, and right back here, it was like my leg stopped right here, and then I had this big gap, like right here, and then my ankle went straight up, and that big gap bothered the heck out of me. And so for that reason, I'm gonna send these back. But if they would have fit my ankle a little bit more tighter, these would have been really cute, because I do love that open ankle look. But unfortunately, these are gonna go back. These are gonna be my two keepers. Yes, I love them. Very fallish to me. Nice olive green, nice burnt orange cardigan. So my stylist gave me some fabulous options, and thank you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye, guys.